Sometimes after work, we like to come to JB for dinner. This is one of our favourite spots. Hao Jie and I really love mutton soup. I brought him to the best places in Singapore for kambing soup. And in turn, he brought me here in JB. When we come here, these are our standard orders. Must have kambing soup, nasi lemak with the power ayam goreng, mutton curry and nasi putih.
Every time you crave kambing soup, you come here?
Although we can find kambing soup in Singapore, right? I like coming here because I enjoy riding here lah. And the vibe here is so laid back, you see, it's so chill.
So how you think you can recreate this?
Of course. Ding 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 ding. Now we are back in the studio. So first thing to do is to rinse your meat. It's a mixture of bones and meat. So the flavour comes from the bone. Always make sure you get a balance. I'm getting 800 grams of meat and about 200 grams of bone. And then we'll bring this to a boil to remove all the impurities from the meat. Hello, Mommy? Why we need to remove the impurities?
Need to wash away the strong kambing smell and dirty grey foam.
Thank you, bye-bye. Next, we're going to add in the vegetables. So I've cut them into small dices. I didn't rinse a potato. I just covered them in water because I want to retain the starchy water. Some people use oatmeal or gelatin powder as a shortcut to thicken the soup. This is the authentic way by using the vegetables. So just now I went to Geylang Serai Market, and the special thing about that place is they have wet and dry spice mixed stalls. So you can just go to the auntie and tell them what you are cooking and they'll prepare a special bag like this for you. And since she said there's no shallot paste, I'm gonna blend my own here. Very easy. So if you can't get all these fresh wet spices at the market, you can go to the supermarket and they sell those pre-made kambing soup powders in the sachet. But if you want to make it yourself, it's very simple. You just need cumin, coriander, turmeric, korma powder and garam masala and bay leaves. So the next is this Sup Bunjut, a little flavour bomb sachet. Next is this essential ingredient. It's called daun sop in Malay, also known as Chinese celery. Wow, it really look like kambing soup lah. The auntie really did a good job with the spice powders. Same or not? The colour like the one we tried.
Yeah, it looks pretty legit.
But this one nicer and thicker. You know why or not?
What?
Because this is natural and made with love. We'll pressure cook for half an hour to 40 minutes.
A few moments later.
Wow. Don't need to go JB. You can have it in the comfort of your own home. Almost the same lah as the JB one. The only difference is this one got no MSG. Hao Jie, come and try. Come Putri.
Cheers.
It cannot, just haram.
Cheers.
It's better than the one in JB.
Really? Thank you. This one will taste even better the day after. Why I cook so good now? Sometimes I ask myself. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Bye-bye.